Deep in Brazil, there's a place of incredible beauty and amazing biodiversity. This place is called Pará, the second largest state in Brazil, and it's like a doorway to the Amazon rainforest. Explorers, scientists, and nature lovers are all drawn to this special region. It's a world of lush rainforests, winding rivers, and colorful cultures. Pará covers a large part of the Amazon basin, the biggest rainforest on Earth. This makes the state really important for keeping our planet healthy and a treasure chest of natural wonders. From the thick rainforest canopy to the flooded forests along the Amazon River, Pará gives us a peek into a world bursting with life. Come with me as we explore the captivating beauty of Pará. We'll discover its diverse ecosystems, meet its unique wildlife, and learn about the indigenous communities who call this place home. Let's uncover the secrets of this Amazonian paradise together. The Amazon rainforest is a force of nature like no other. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, it is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It's a huge area of tall trees, intricate ecosystems, and a staggering variety of plant species, many of which are still undiscovered, and an abundance of life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the Amazon is teeming with biodiversity. Within Pará, the rainforest is king, covering a large part of the state. This region is a vital part of the Amazon's vast expanse. Here, the forest has different layers, each with its own special qualities. The canopy, understory, and forest floor all play unique roles in the ecosystem. The igapo is the flooded forest found near the riverbanks. These areas are submerged for much of the year, creating a unique habitat. This ecosystem loves water, with trees that can survive having their roots underwater. These adaptations are crucial for their survival. Then, there's the várzea, a forest that floods seasonally. This periodic flooding brings nutrients to the soil, supporting lush vegetation. This area experiences times of both high and low water, supporting a wide variety of plants and animals. The changing water levels create dynamic living conditions. And finally, we have the terra firma, the forest that doesn't flood. This stable environment allows for a different set of species to thrive. This higher elevation area makes up the largest part of the Amazon rainforest. Its stability is crucial for many forms of life. These different forest types create a complex tapestry of habitats. Each type of forest contributes to the overall diversity of the Amazon. They provide homes for countless species of plants, animals, and insects. The interdependence of these species is what makes the Amazon so unique. The Amazon rainforest in Pará shows us the power and resilience of nature. Despite challenges, it continues to flourish. It is a place where life finds a way to thrive in every corner. The Amazon is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. The rivers of Pará are like the veins of the Amazon, flowing through the rainforest and shaping the land. The mighty Amazon River, the largest river in the world by volume, flows through the heart of Pará. It connects the region to the Atlantic Ocean and carries with it the stories of the forest. The Tocantins River, another major waterway, winds its way through the eastern part of the state. It's a vital transportation route and supports a rich diversity of aquatic life. The Xingu River, known for its clear waters, flows through the southern part of Pará. It is home to several indigenous communities who rely on the river for their survival. These rivers, along with countless smaller streams, create a vast network of waterways. They sustain the rainforest, provide transportation, and offer a glimpse into how everything is connected in the Amazon. The rivers of Pará show us the power of water and its essential role in shaping this incredible ecosystem. Pará is not just about rainforests and rivers, it is also a land of vast wetlands where water and land mix to create unique and biodiverse ecosystems. Marajo Island, located at the mouth of the Amazon River, is a perfect example. This massive island, bigger than some countries, is a world of its own. Marajo is a mix of flooded grasslands, mangrove forests, and freshwater lakes. It's a paradise for an amazing variety of birds, including herons, egrets, and the iconic scarlet ibis. The island is also home to water buffalo, brought here centuries ago, which now roam freely across the grasslands. Beyond Marajo, wetlands stretch along the coast and inland, providing essential habitat for countless species. These wetlands act like giant sponges, absorbing rainfall and regulating water flow, which helps to prevent flooding and keep the water clean. They are vital for the health of the entire Amazon basin. Pará's wetlands show us the beauty and importance of these often overlooked ecosystems. Pará is known as one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. The sheer variety of life found within its rainforests, rivers and wetlands is astounding. From jaguars stalking through the undergrowth to brightly colored macaws soaring overhead, the state is a symphony of sights and sounds. Among the trees, monkeys swing from branch to branch, while sloths cling to the canopy, their slow movements a testament to the leisurely pace of life in the rainforest. In the rivers, giant otters, pink dolphins and caimans patrol the waters, while piranhas flash their sharp teeth. Para's plant life is equally diverse, with towering trees draped in vines and orchids, and a dazzling array of flowering plants that carpet the forest floor. The state is home to countless species of insects, many of them yet to be discovered, playing vital roles in the rainforest ecosystem. Para's biodiversity is a treasure trove of scientific discovery and a testament to the power of evolution. Recognizing how ecologically important this region is, Brazil has established a network of protected areas within Pará. These areas are not just patches of land, but are vital sanctuaries that preserve the unique flora and fauna of the Amazon. These areas play a crucial role in conserving the state's remarkable biodiversity and ensuring the long-term health of the Amazon rainforest. They act as a refuge for countless species, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Juruena National Park, located in the northwestern part of the state, protects a vast swathe of pristine rainforest. This park is a testament to the untouched beauty and ecological significance of the region. It's home to a wide array of wildlife, including jaguars, pumas, and giant anteaters. These majestic creatures thrive in this protected environment, free from the threats of deforestation and habitat loss. Tapajós National Forest, situated along the Tapajós River, is another vital conservation area. This forest is a crucial part of the Amazon's ecosystem, providing habitat for numerous species and maintaining the ecological balance. It protects a significant portion of the Amazonian biodiversity, including endangered species like the giant otter and the harpy eagle. These species are indicators of the health of the ecosystem, and their presence signifies a thriving environment. Xingu Indigenous Park, located in the southern part of Pará, is a unique protected area managed by indigenous communities. This park is not only a haven for wildlife, but also a cultural treasure. It's home to a diverse array of indigenous groups who have lived sustainably in the rainforest for centuries. Their traditional knowledge and practices are integral to the conservation of the Amazon. These protected areas, along with numerous others, represent hope for the future of the Amazon. They are beacons of conservation efforts, showcasing the possibility of preserving nature for future generations. They serve as strongholds for biodiversity and provide a glimpse into a future where humans and nature can coexist in harmony. These areas are living proof that with concerted efforts we can protect our planet's most precious ecosystems. For thousands of years, indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the Amazon rainforest, their lives deeply connected to the rhythms of nature. In Pará, indigenous groups such as the Xingu, Kayapo and Arara continue to uphold their traditional ways of life, serving as true protectors of the forest. They are not just inhabitants but guardians of this vast ecosystem. These communities possess a deep understanding of the rainforest's delicate balance. Their knowledge is a result of centuries of observation and interaction with their environment. They have developed sustainable practices for hunting, fishing and gathering that ensure the long-term health of the ecosystem. These practices are a testament to their respect for nature's cycles. Their traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, holds valuable insights into the medicinal properties of plants. This wisdom is crucial for modern science and medicine, and the behavior of animals. Indigenous communities in Pará are on the front lines of conservation, tirelessly working to protect their home, often facing threats from illegal logging, mining and land grabbing. Their voices are crucial in advocating for the protection of their ancestral lands. They stand as a barrier against the exploitation of the rainforest and the preservation of their cultural heritage. By recognizing and respecting the rights of indigenous peoples, we honor their contributions to the world. We can learn from their wisdom and work together to ensure the future of the Amazon. Their stewardship is a model for sustainable living and a beacon of hope for the planet. Ecotourism has emerged as a beacon of hope for Pará, offering a way to showcase the state's natural wonders while promoting conservation and supporting local communities. By offering authentic experiences that immerse visitors in the beauty and biodiversity of the Amazon, ecotourism provides an economic incentive for preserving the rainforest. Imagine gliding through the rainforest canopy on a zipline, spotting monkeys and sloths in their natural habitat, or paddling along the calm waters of the Amazon River in a canoe, listening to the sounds of the forest as you search for pink dolphins. Ecotourism in Pará offers these incredible experiences and more, all while contributing to the well-being of the environment and local people. By choosing eco-friendly lodges and tour operators, visitors can minimize their impact on the environment and support businesses committed to sustainability. Ecotourism, when done responsibly, has the potential to be a powerful force for good in Pará, fostering a sense of appreciation for the rainforest and empowering local communities. Despite its ecological importance, Pará faces significant conservation challenges. Deforestation driven by illegal logging, mining, and agricultural expansion poses a constant threat to the rainforest and its inhabitants. The clearing of land for cattle ranching and soybean production is a major driver of deforestation, leading to habitat loss, fragmentation, and increased carbon emissions. Illegal mining operations, particularly for gold, contaminate rivers with mercury, posing serious risks to human health and aquatic life. The construction of roads and infrastructure projects often opens up remote areas of the rainforest to further exploitation. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach, including strengthening law enforcement, promoting sustainable land use practices, and empowering local communities to protect their natural resources. By working together, we can help to ensure that Pará's natural wonders continue to inspire and amaze future generations. The fate of the Amazon, and indeed the planet, depends on the choices we make today.